salva-vidas debaixo do assento. Retire o seu, colocando-o pela cabeça. Passe a fita à sua volta. Aperte na cintura e ajuste. Não encha o colete dentro do avião. Quando se encontrar fora do avião, encha o colete puxando a patilha. Se o colete não encher ou não estiver totalmente cheio, sopre pelo tubo. Há uma luz no apito para atrair as atenções. Um elemento da tripulação pode assistir com os coletes salva-vidas para crianças. Por favor, arrume o tabuleiro, baixe os apoios de braços, mantenha as persianas abertas e aperte o cinto de segurança. A revista de bordo contém mais informações sobre a sua segurança a bordo. Desejamos-lhe um voo agradável com a EasyJet.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard this EasyJet flight to London Gatwick with a flight time of 2 hours and 30 minutes. My name is Sophie, your cabin manager on today's flight. I'd like to introduce my crew. In front of the cabin, Abby, centre cabin, Brian, Mary and Marika. Here's make sure you have safe and comfortable flights and anything else you need. Please don't hesitate to ask.
Please pay attention to illuminated signs and crew instructions, including the following safety procedures. The safety card found in your seat pocket contains important information about exit routes, oxygen masks, life jackets, and the brace position that you must adopt if you hear brace, brace. There are 10 emergency exits on this aircraft. The cabin crew are now pointing out the exits nearest to you. Please be aware that your nearest usable exit may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In an emergency, leave all baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on, and we recommend that you keep it fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with the strap. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. If we land on water, take a life jacket from under your seat. Remove from the pouch and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and clip together. Pull the strap to adjust. Do not inflate it inside the aircraft. When outside, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into this tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist you with life jackets for children. Your tray table must now be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open, and seatbelt.
There is a reading light in the panel above your head, and if you accidentally press the call bell, just press it again, it will reset. fastened while the seatbelt sign is on. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Take care of opening the overhead locker in case anything falls out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. All are fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not permitted on board at any time. This includes the use of e-cigarettes. We will shortly be joining you in the cabin with our eat and drink service. Please have a look in the seat back brochure, where you can find a range of drinks, snacks, as well as hot and cold sandwiches. If you would like further help in deciding, please don't hesitate to ask. This is a reminder that we are a cashless airline accepting credit and debit